Hey, welcome to Holistic Health Center. I'm Dr. Delaria. I'm going to give you the office tour. So this is the reception area. It's where you'll fill out your initial paperwork if you haven't already filled it out. Be greeted by our friendly staff. Come on back. This is our first treatment room. And our second treatment room over here. This is where we'll do the initial consultation, history, exam, first treatment. And come on down the hall. Across the way from the bathrooms, the therapy room. This is where we can do any number of therapies from cellular detox, cold laser therapy, oxygen therapy, neurorebuilder. And back here, there's room for expansion. So we look forward to seeing you at your first visit. Have a healthy day.